Hi everyone, it's Emilia here. Welcome back to my channel and to a new video. Today I would like to show you Lemoncraft Mystery Scrapbooking Kit, Scrapbooking Box. This is the June edition. And before I will show you what is inside the box, I just want to say that if you haven't received yours yet and you want to have a surprise, please switch the video off now. I don't want to ruin your surprise because I will show you the content. I haven't seen it yet, so I am really curious. I only opened the box and peek inside. But yes, so if you ever wonder if you would like to order the box, what is in the box as usual, I mean, not usually because every box is different, but what kind of embellishments you can find them and how it is all put together. I had few videos already presenting the boxes, so you can check on my channel you know, the other videos where you can see what was in the previous editions. Anyway, let me start now. I only opened the box, so you will see that inside it's like heaven, right? Heaven is here, so something really exciting. Let me take that out and we will see what's here. As you can see, it's called Raspberry Garden. Let me start with the leaflet. I'm trying not to show you and not to see what's there. Let's start with the leaflet. Every month Anna creates a beautiful mood board for us, so you can see the colors included in the collection, some sneak peek of what it is there, what you can expect. I guess there will be raspberries somewhere. Then we have a few words from Anna about the box and probably how she came up with the idea, and then also like an inspiration page here, and it says, "In Raspberry Garden, summer smells so special. I remember every moment. I will tell it with a photo, a word, a smile." Isn't that beautiful? It's amazing. So this is Raspberry Garden, and here at the back we've got some information how you can order your box. And the next mystery box will be released on 19th of July 2021. You can buy every mystery box on lemoncraft.pl. And I will have a next box probably as well. Well, I still need to do something with this one before the next arrives. So today we will see what's inside, and then I'm hoping that very soon I will have a inspiration for you. Okay, so this is it. Now we've got a beautiful box. You can use the ribbon as well, right? Beautiful box full of embellishments and the papers. The papers are Raspberry Garden. I believe that this collection probably is sold out. Let me just take that out. I'm not sure, but I know that it was a very limited on the Lemoncraft page. One of the prettiest collections ever. We will start with the papers, so I will quickly show you these and then we'll show you what's in the box with the embellishments. So you have two of each papers, I can see that. This clock is just amazing. Raspberries, beautiful border here, and I have created an exploding box with that collection, which was one of my favorite. I will maybe show it to you if I can see it near me. I just need to look around, but look at the elements, absolutely beautiful. Then we've got few papers from this is Something Sweet. but I guess that lace will coordinate with the raspberry collection. Oh, and then we've got basics. This is the all brown, blue, not blue, pink and green. Look at them. These Lemoncraft do not do any more basic papers, but I just love them because you know, there's for the backgrounds, for like first layers in the albums, they are just so gorgeous. So we've got the papers, then let's look what is inside the box. This looks so good already. So some ribbons, trims. Let me just grab them all, maybe if I can do it. Oh, this one says handmade. Look at them. Oh my god, so pretty. It is this fantastic selection. I really like the dark red as well. So we've got lace and some trimmings. Oh, then we've got some twine. Oh my god. Oh, that's so pretty. I just love the different textures. I will not be undoing them yet now, but look at this one is with the leaves, then with white string, wavy straight one. This is a wavy one as well. So pretty. Well, here we have some chipboard embellishments, chipboard elements. So you can see how in the collection everything works together nicely. Oh, we've got the frames, look at them, and some leaves, because everything is like designed so goes well with each other. I will just put that back. And this is what I really love about the boxes, because with the things you find inside you can create really pretty projects. Raspberries, like I said, I'm sure there would be raspberries somewhere, but these are so cute. Oh, we've got more trimmings and the ribbon. Oh, this is very pretty. Look at that. It's a kind of, it's not very, it's like semi-transparent. I don't know how to describe it. So you can see through. Very natural fabric or something, or twine actually. Crystals. Oh, and here we've got the album. It's let me just open that. I don't know how you say it in English, what how you call it. It's, let me just take that off. I don't want to rip it yet. Maybe I will use that. I'm not sure, but you know, never know. So it's wrapped with the string, and then look inside. So it's opening like that. How do you call that? I need to check. But it's got beautiful fabric covers. The covers are thick, and then beautiful craft paper inside. And here we've got flowers and other little beads. Let me just take that. So we've got some roses, pink and ivory. Oh, these are pretty tags in different shapes, hearts, circles, and just tags. And then we've got this is like a leather which says handmade, and some buttons which are saying handmade as well. So this is it. This is our cute box. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I just love the embellishments here, and everything is really nice. So this is it for today. I will not be creating anything. I will try to do a video as soon as possible. Well, I will be doing an album, I guess. And or you could actually do like a photo frame, it could be, because if you decorate it some way that it can just stand open. that would be an idea as well. So yes, this is the June edition, which is called Raspberry Garden. I hope you love that, because it's just super cute what I found here. And thank you very much for visiting my channel again. I want to also thank you for commenting. Please check the description box below the video, where I will put all the information, how you can order the box, where you can order the box, if you ever want to do that. And I want to wish you have a lovely creative day. Take care everyone, bye bye.